Holy fuck.
Oh, that just popped right out of there.
That's why I said, holy fuck. Well. Fuck, I almost need one more. Yeah, I'm thinking only the front of this truck was sitting in the swamp. No rust.
I feel like I'm missing something.
Take this whole fucking spring pack apart again. That is definitely powder coat thickness. So we gotta tighten these two bolts till all of these gaps here are gone and everything is sucked together tight. We'll put the shackles on and then we'll hang them back in the frame.
Seems a little rusty.
Yeah.
Is that surface rust or?
It's all the rust. Your bolt's here in the hole.
Yeah.
You're gonna need that.
Okay.
Don't grab the black part because it's wet. Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
No way. Uh-oh.
Fuck's sakes. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Lift your end up a little bit. More.
Well, just do the other side where it is right now, eh? And you fold it white. Oh, you're not together. I see.
$31 and a half.
This looks like tandem nutting. This is tandem nutting.
Tandem nutting, eh?
synchronized nutting.
Well, rear springs are in, shackles are in. Just gonna throw some shitty wheels on this thing. Set her back on the ground, check the height front to back, make sure it's good, there's no adjustments needed. Should probably find some better wheel nuts. Okay, we'll grab some nuts. New ones, fresh ones. Fuck, that looks like it's sitting pretty good actually. How much did you think? Fuck, you're close. 44 and 7/8 on the front, 45 and a half on the back. So by the time you get to the back of the truck with the box, yeah,
About 3/4 out.
3/4 of an inch to an inch. I'm actually gonna tighten all this suspension shit first while I can still get at it. Looks like a truck again. Should be pretty big when it's done. I'm gonna phone Extreme Driveline and see what he wants for measurements and how he wants them measured so we can get some drive shafts made up. Okay. Okay. That would be perfect. Sounds good. You will see everything coming probably this afternoon. All right, thank you, sir. Yep, bye. We can just make it on a one-piece shaft. So we can ditch the two-piece, get rid of the steady bearing in the middle. We're 92 inches, so it's right at the limit. Front shaft, I gotta measure it up yet, and we'll send everything over there and they'll get started on it.
I'll even pull my fucking pants up for you.
I always check the butt crack shots, you know, make sure we don't get all those. They're tough, but
Well, some people might like them.
well, if you want them in there, I'll
Put them on OnlyFans. Top of flange to top of flange is 35 and a half. Bottom of flange to bottom of flange is 34 and a quarter. Get all that, Jess? Oh, good Christ.
careful where you pull them.
It's harder to get up after a big lunch. Time to rebolt the box down. Told you, a million little fucking extensions. This is the part I don't like. I'd like to know where the instructions are. Don't want to lose that.
What's your favorite part about the body then?
There is no favorite part of a body lift. Like at all. aches. I'm gonna cut the factory washers off the factory bolts. The washers that came with a leveling kit, they're just a little too small, and if you hit something hard enough with that truck and the rubber come apart in the body mount, the washer would pull through and potentially the cab could come off. So we're just gonna put these on, that way it can't pull through past the steel. This is a long ways to go. I think I'm gonna push the cab. Guess I could start putting the engine back together, make it run, do some brake lines. Kind of want to work on a different area for a while. Tired of the rust. It's getting there. I don't like this. How it lines up.
Is that just different gears though?
No, I think we're gonna have to kick the box this way and the cab that way a little bit, but I think that's another day's problem. I don't think they're legal at all. Legal has to be down here. No, you spend hours and hours fucking masking, thinking you're doing this great fucking job. Still no tourney. Then you take the tape off and fucking paint everywhere.